Yeah? What was the best part?
When I won.
Let's go to Boston. Take me to Indianapolis International Airport. I'm kind of just realizing that I maybe didn't give myself as much time as I should have. It's currently showing an arrival of 11:13. My flight takes off at 12:20, so I'll have like 50 minutes, which should be plenty, but like I've got to park and catch a bus to the main terminal and then walk into the main terminal. I've got a bag to check, but I have pre-check, which at Indianapolis usually means it takes me about 2 minutes to get through security. So this might be a little closer than I want it to be, but we'll see. All right, we made it to the airport. Now we got to rush through and get on a plane. Okay, we just rolled up to the FPV headquarters here in Boston. Let's go in and check it out.
And you're gonna launch your quad. Oh, nice! I was gonna say that's gonna get your quad. Otter had 4 laps in the bank and ended up upside down. And he was potentially not gonna win it if you guys get your 5 laps at first. He turtle moded out of it and got his final lap in and did make his 5 laps. He took first place there. So we're gonna finish those laps. Otter, you're gonna stay on race 1. Blair, you're gonna stay, actually you're gonna change to F4. Look at that nerd. Yeah, moving to F4.
We're going to do a bunch of qualifying. We have basically like a certain amount of time that we're allowed to just fly the track, get as many batteries and qualifying times in as we can, and that's going to seed us for the brackets that we're going to race later this evening. In addition to the brackets that we're populating right now, we're also qualifying for the championship course, which will be a completely different course tomorrow. Okay, we've gotten all the way through qualifying. I ended up taking 3rd so far for the overall series. So like I was saying before, like we're qualifying for the championships, which are going to run tomorrow. But in my one session that I had here today, I was able to work my way up to the leaderboards until I got into the 3rd position. At that point, I was starting to push it a little bit too hard and was getting really close to smashing some quads. So thankfully I didn't break anything yet. That seeded me very well for the bracket race that we're going to have tonight, which is just kind of a for fun, couple little prizes, things like that. It's going to be a blast. I can't wait to do it. Ethan, who is the top qualifier, is racing on it today, so I get to I'm going to see if I can, use my ability to play the mental game to see if I can kind of push him into making a mistake. So I know that I'm not as fast as him, but I think I might be able to force an error and have a little bit of fun with it. So I can't wait for the bracket racing and then the championship racing tomorrow.
One race after that, who we already know Ethan and Nurk are in.
Doug has literally the most complicated race running setup that I've ever seen. We've got 4 monitors, a stream deck. There's a projector on that wall. There's a projector on that wall. There's a live stream. There's a TV in the other room, like back out there. There's a TV right there. There's a TV in there. And he can control them all independently from his mothership here. It's pretty awesome. But boy, do I not want his job.
Right?
You ready for this?
Ready for what?
You decide. All the way to finals. Stayed in the winner bracket the whole way. Now I gotta battle it out with Ethan and Otter and a whole bunch of fast guys. Ethan's looking super pumped up right now.
Yep.
He's actually scary Zen. I'm kind of nervous about that. But you know what? That's not gonna stop me from crushing him. So anyway, wish me luck. Here we go.
FPV in the first. Andy Martin in the second. Otter in the third. Kino 151 in fourth. Ethan FPV in first. Andy Martin in second. Otter in fourth. Ethan FPV in first.
Pino's down, trying to get back up. Working it, still get the round strap.
Andy Martin in second.
Ethan's got 30 yards back in the first fourth races. They're good on the fourth now.
Andy Martin in second. Ethan FPV in first. Lap 106.7 result. Andy Martin in second. Andy Martin under the 5 lap 121 flat result.
That was fast, Ethan. That was fast.
All right, how did that feel?
Pretty good.
Yeah? What was the best part?
When I won.
Wait, is that a 12.7?
12.7 seconds lap.
Is that your fastest? And he threw it down when it counts. I love it. Yeah, I'm like throwing down 15. 15 seconds was my fast lap. Ethan throws down a 12.7. All right, I'm going home. See you guys. Have fun tomorrow. Ethan's got it. If he comes back with broken thumbs, yeah, I stand a chance.
No, he's been flying this course for over a month now, and so you coming in on the very last day of qualifying and putting up a time that rivals this kid that just like.
But it didn't rival him.
Okay, not on this last run.
Okay, that's
but
right.
your qualifying time over.
I'm getting there.
Oh, you're absolutely getting there. But this is your first day on the track.
And
this kid's been flying it for
one of my
over a
strengths.
month.
One of my strengths is learning tracks fast.
Yeah,
so
I
I'm
know.
hoping that when we change the course tomorrow, that'll put the advantage back in the old man's court.
No, I think it will because the track's going to be fast, but it's going to be technical, and it's going to be a lot of fun. Nobody knows it. Ethan hasn't seen it. I know nobody here has any clue what this track's going to be like, but I know it's going to be fun.
I'm super pumped.
Yeah, me too, man. I'm so psyched to have put this race together with Doug, and tomorrow is just going to be so off the hook.
And so tomorrow we're doing a little bit more qualifying for the championship track, right?
Yep, tomorrow morning we're starting up qualifiers for 3 hours from 11 to 2, and then we're cutting that off, and we're changing the course up completely. There's not a single line or element that's going to be anywhere near what we have out there today.
Really? That's
so
awesome.
It's going to be a completely different space and a completely different flow.
So I'm looking forward to it.
I've spent like the whole last month thinking about this and doing little tweaks and making it so that way not only we can get it built in the amount of time that we have, but so that way it flows really well. I'm really looking forward to seeing how everybody likes this track.
Cool, I'm pumped.
Yeah.
Awesome. See you tomorrow.
Hell yeah, bro.
All right. Can't wait for tomorrow. It's going to be blast. Let's get it done.